Hello students, it's Kosha here, your English teacher, and this is the series Your English Notes. In one of the previous films, I told you about the difference between no and any, and I didn't tell you about one word, useful word, which is none. Okay? Before I will tell you when to use it, first I would like you to look at the sentences I've put here, because I want to revise the difference between no and any first. Okay, and as always, I've drawn a table with countable and uncountable nouns, and here we have got the plural only the plural form. So we have got balls and children, and here money and time as the examples of uncountable nouns. And let's look at the board. I put some sentences here. Look, and we can say that there aren't and there are, and here we will say any. Yes, there aren't any balls, and I told you last time that we can express exactly the same sentence with the use of no. Yes, so we can say there aren't any balls or there are no balls. And the same with uncountable nouns. There isn't any money and there is no money. Just remember about the form of the verb. When we have got any, the form of the verb is negative. Yes, when we have got no, it's positive. The same here, there isn't any money, so the form of the verb is negative, and here the form of the verb is positive. There is no money. And of course are, because it's countable, and is because it's uncountable, and the form of the verb is like with singulars. Okay, and the same we can use when we say have got. Yeah, so for example, I haven't got any children, and I have no children, and I haven't got any time. I have no time. Yes, there are, I have got, they are the most common examples in which we use any and no. But now I would like you to tell you something about none. Look, when someone asks us a question, how much money have you got, for example? Yes, how much time have you got? Or are there any balls in the gym? Or how many balls are there in the gym? You don't have to reply in the full sentence. Yeah, you don't have to reply, for example, how many children have you got? You don't have to say, I haven't got any children, or I have no children. But when you say only no and only any, it's not correct. Yes, and in this case you can use none. I will write that so you will see on the board what I'm talking about now. Okay, let me just erase these. Okay, yeah. So look, so someone asks us a question. Yes, how many children have you got? And here someone asks us a question, for example, how much time have you got? Okay, and now when we answer, we don't say the word no and we don't say the word any. Here, this is the moment when we can use none. Okay, none. Both in countable nouns and with uncountable nouns. So if someone asks you how many children have you got, and you have kind of zero children, you will say none. Okay. How much time have you got, and you have 0 time, you will say none. Okay, and this is the same with there is, there are. So if someone asks you how many balls are there in the gym, and you want to say like 0, yes, so you will say none. I hope you understand how to use it and when to use it, and I think it was clear for you. So that's all for today. We'll see you in the next film. Goodbye.